Smartphone photography has revolutionized the way we capture moments, making it easier than ever to take stunning photos. With just a phone in your pocket, you have access to powerful tools that were once reserved for professionals. By learning a few simple techniques, anyone can dramatically improve the quality of their pictures. Whether you're snapping landscapes, portraits, or everyday scenes, these secrets will help you create images that truly stand out. Unlock the potential of your smartphone and discover how effortless it can be to achieve professional-looking results. Composition is a fundamental aspect of photography that shapes how viewers experience an image. Techniques such as the rule of thirds help position key elements for balance and interest, while leading lines naturally guide the eye through the scene. Framing can draw attention to your subject, and using symmetry or patterns adds a sense of harmony and rhythm. Incorporating negative space allows your subject to stand out, and experimenting with different angles can reveal unique perspectives. Mastering these compositional tools enables photographers to create images that are both visually engaging and memorable. Lighting plays a crucial role in mobile photography, often making the difference between an ordinary shot and a stunning image. Natural light is generally the most flattering, providing soft and even illumination that enhances colors and details. The golden hour, which occurs shortly after sunrise or before sunset, bathes scenes in warm, gentle light, creating a magical atmosphere. Diffusing harsh midday sunlight, perhaps by using a sheer curtain or seeking shade, helps to avoid strong shadows and overexposed highlights. Creative use of backlighting can add drama and depth, allowing photographers to capture striking silhouettes or glowing edges around their subjects. Understanding your phone's camera settings can dramatically improve the quality of your photos. Adjusting exposure allows you to control how light or dark your images appear, while tweaking shutter speed helps capture motion with clarity or create artistic blur effects. ISO settings influence your camera's sensitivity to light, which is especially useful in low-light conditions. Exploring different focus modes ensures your subject is always sharp, and using HDR can balance highlights and shadows for more dynamic images. Mastering these features gives you creative control, helping you achieve results that rival those from a DSLR camera. Photo editing apps such as Snapseed and Lightroom offer a wide range of tools to help you enhance your images. You can easily adjust brightness and contrast to bring out details and improve overall clarity. Healing tools allow you to remove unwanted objects or blemishes, while filters provide creative effects with just a tap. Cropping helps refine your composition, and color grading lets you fine-tune the mood and tone of your photos. Together, these features make it possible to transform ordinary pictures into visually striking images. Experimenting with new photography techniques can be both exciting and rewarding. Start by applying one or two methods at a time, giving yourself space to explore how each affects your images. Don't be afraid to try unconventional angles, play with lighting, or adjust your phone's settings to see what works best for you. Regular practice will help you develop your unique style and sharpen your skills. Remember, creativity thrives when you allow yourself to make mistakes and learn from them. As we wrap up, remember that every photo you take is an opportunity to express your creativity and capture unique moments. Sharing your images with others not only showcases your progress, but also connects you with a community of fellow enthusiasts. Engaging with others can inspire new ideas and techniques to try. Keep exploring, experimenting, and learning new ways to make your smartphone photos truly stand out. Your journey in photography is just beginning, and there's always something new to discover.